What you're looking at right now was created from a single sentence. Every scene, every environment, every animation sequence, and every visual in this story came from one idea processed through a single AI video agent workflow. No separate image generator, no separate video generator, no switching between multiple platforms. Just one sentence transformed into a complete animated story. And today, I'll show you exactly how I made it. The sentence I started with was incredibly simple. A lonely traveler discovers a floating library above the clouds where every glowing book contains forgotten memories. That's it. One sentence. Now, instead of spending hours building everything manually, I brought this idea into Flova. Flova isn't just another AI generator. It's designed as an AI video agent. That means you can simply chat with it, describe what you want, and let it help manage the creative process from idea generation all the way to the final video. The first thing I'm going to do is ask Flova to help me brainstorm. I give this prompt. This is one of the biggest differences I noticed. Most AI tools wait for instructions. Flova actively helps you think through ideas. If you're stuck, you can brainstorm directly with the AI video agent and develop stronger stories before generating anything. Within moments, Flova expands the concept into a complete narrative with scene ideas, emotional beats, visual direction, and storytelling suggestions. Now it's time to start building the animation. Instead of choosing a common anime style, I'm selecting a watercolor animation style because it feels unique, artistic, and visually distinctive. I give this prompt. What's interesting is that Flova integrates multiple top-tier models throughout the entire workflow. You can freely switch between image and video models depending on your needs. For example, combinations like GPT image and Cdance can help generate richer visuals, stronger storyboards, and smoother motion. And if you're not sure which model to use, Flova can help make those decisions for you. Now let's begin creating the story. The prompt I give. Flova automatically generates storyboard concepts for the entire sequence. One thing I immediately noticed is how flexible the workflow feels. I can start from text. I could also start from an image, a video reference, or even music. The starting point is completely flexible. As the storyboard develops, I can continue refining everything through conversation. I give this prompt. Instead of generating everything again from scratch, I simply continue the conversation. Flova updates the project while preserving the direction I'm already building. This makes iteration much faster. I can edit, comment, revise, regenerate, and improve scenes continuously throughout the workflow. One feature that helps maintain consistency throughout a project is elements. For example, the traveler, the floating library, the glowing memory book, and other important assets can be saved as elements. Once saved, those elements can be reused across different shots and scenes. This helps keep characters, environments, and props visually consistent throughout the entire animation. The traveler continues looking like the same character. The floating library keeps the same design. The glowing memory book remains recognizable across the story. This creates a much more professional final result. The editing experience is also surprisingly powerful. I can directly edit storyboard text, regenerate individual shots, compare multiple visual variations side by side, organize assets, adjust layouts, resize workspace panels, move through the storyboard visually, and refine the project step by step until everything looks exactly how I want. Rather than locking creators into a rigid process, Flova allows you to create while iterating. The project keeps evolving as you work. Now let's talk about skills. Skills and elements work together, but they serve different purposes. Elements help save characters, props, and important assets for consistency. Skills are reusable workflows. A skill can save the visual style, storyboard structure, model selections, prompt structure, shot logic, and overall production process. This means you don't have to rebuild your workflow every time you start a new project. Flova includes ready-to-use skills created by professional creators. With a single click, you can apply proven workflows and creative processes developed through years of experience. You can also create your own custom skills through conversation. Now that the storyboards are complete, let's generate the final animation. I give this prompt. Convert all storyboard scenes into a cinematic watercolor animated short film with consistent visuals, emotional storytelling, smooth motion, magical effects, beautiful camera movement, and professional quality animation. After the clips are generated, the workflow doesn't stop there. All generated clips can be sent directly into the timeline. From there, I can rearrange scenes, adjust pacing, refine the flow of the story, and make sure every moment works together properly. I can also add music, sound effects, and narration directly into the project. This allows me to transform individual AI-generated clips into a complete finished video. Once everything is finalized, exporting the project is straightforward. With the visuals, audio, pacing, and narration complete, the final video is ready to be exported and shared. After rendering, the final result is ready. And honestly, it's impressive how much can be created from a single sentence. The visual style remains consistent. The story feels coherent. The animation looks polished. And the entire workflow stays inside one platform.
Keep going.
Until the day something calls you upward. A place where nothing was ever truly lost. Every goodbye, still waiting to be felt. Some things are not lost. They were only waiting for you to remember.
Flova combines more than 20 elite AI models, an AI video agent, creative assistance, workflow management, and editing capabilities into one system. It's more than access to powerful models. It's an entire creative team and editing suite working together in a single workflow. For just $19 per month, Flova brings professional-grade AI video creation into one place, helping creators spend less time managing tools and more time creating. If you'd like to try Flova yourself, use my link in the description. New users receive 100 credits immediately after signing up, and they can receive an additional 200 credits by exploring Flova. Start with one sentence, build it your way, and see what you can create with Flova.